Right, so the good news is I just reviewed the camera. Keep panicking, I've left my GoPro behind. Into your head. There's nothing I can do, but you're not going to believe this. He's hench. The thing is, it's in a position. So I am going to have